Welcome to my sewing and cross-stitching channel. Today I have an item that I've been wanting for a while. I looked at Joann's. It's a snap button press. So I've seen at Joann's one tool, one head for different buttons. Like you have to buy a brand new tool for each button. And I thought, why not just sell one tool and change the heads, you know? Couldn't find that at Joann's. Well, I went on Amazon and I found something that has the tool and different heads. It also comes with several buttons. So today I'm going to try it out and give my thoughts on it. Let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Here is the one tool to rule them all. So I got this on Amazon. I'll have a link down below if you want to try it out. So we have, let's go ahead and open it. Here's our little booklet thingy. Alright, so we have in here, we have the tool, the main tool. Then we have tools to get heads off, I guess. I don't know. We'll check that out in just a minute. And then we have different heads for different buttons. So instead of having one tool with one head and having to buy another tool with a different head, you have this entire kit. I've seen mixed reviews on it, so I wanted to try it out and make a video on what I think about it. We have some metal buttons. Snap buttons. These are for snap buttons. We have a whole variety of colors and shapes of the plastic ones. Got different metal ones. Fantastic. Alright. So here's the main tool. Oops, sorry for bumping the camera. Okay. So I think we can just screw this off. Ta-da! And we can get different heads. And we can screw the new head in. No? How does this work? Okay, maybe I need to read instructions first. Here's the ones that screw in. Ugh. So we have different sizes. We have a 5 here. And we have, whoopsie, we have, what is that, M? And an 8. We also have, on here, if we look, we also have a P3 or a T3, T5, T8, E, replacement press button, okay, replacement punch head, okay, so I've never worked with one of these before. So I have a, right here, I have a floss wallet, what I call a floss wallet, and I'd like to put a button on it. So, what do instructions say? I'm assuming we're going to need this to punch a hole in it. So, this and H. So we need these two. This just screws in like this. And then we have tools right here to take this out, and we could put this in. Okay, we're going to put this in. How do I put it in? Do I put it in like this? Okay. Tightens it nicely. Everything's nice and tight. Okay, let's punch a hole in it. So we want it nice and centered. Squeeze. Ooh, we got a hole. Nice. Now it's stuck in there. Is this supposed to be stuck in there? Will it eventually come out? So we punched a hole. Now, I think I'm going to use a metal button. Let's see, what do I need? Okay, so I'm going to have to switch this out again. So we're going to put this one back in. It's nice that it comes with all these heads, all these tools. Okay, so we got the P5 and we need M. We're just going to screw that on. The instructions that they give us, at least to me, is a little confusing. So I'm assuming it's this that we need. So we're going to put that in like that, right? I think I have it right. I don't know. And then we will press. Okay, that's nice and secure. We got it. We got another tool here you can punch a hole in. Punch the hole. See that hole? So, I'm assuming this goes. Sorry for knocking. Okay, not going in. Go in. Nope. Okay, so that's not going in. This tool sucks. I am going to. I should have did 2 holes at first, but I didn't, like a dummy. This is okay. Okay. That's back in. Everything's nice and tight. Okay, let's put another hole in it. There we go. Now we gotta switch this back. You know, you gotta do a lot of switching, but that's okay. I still have, oops, I don't think that was in all the way. I still have 1 tool for all the heads. I don't have to spend so much money. I think it was like $30 each for another tool to do a different kind of button, snap button. But this one does them all, apparently. Okay, we good. We good. We'll do this. And this. Okay, it's a little difficult. But I'm inexperienced. I've never done this before, so. Okay. Ugh. Uh-oh. It's stuck. Oh no! It's stuck. It broke. No. It broke it. I wonder if I was supposed to use this one. The instructions didn't say to use that one. And now it's stuck. Okay, got it out. Oh my gosh, my cat. Okay, well, let's, well, that's messed up. Now that's one thing on the reviews I saw is the metal ones kept breaking. Let's switch this out and try this. Nope, it's not going in. Oh no, losing everything! I'm gonna have to get my husband to maybe shave it down so it will fit. It fits very tight. Just use the tool to stick it in there. Yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna try this. Let's try again. Put this here. The hole is kind of big. I can wiggle that around. And that's hard to center unless I kind of squeeze down on it. Okay. Oh no! I got it wrong. Oh no. I broke another metal one. Maybe I just don't know how to do it. I can take this off. Nope. Alright. Let's try again, but this time we will do the plastic buttons. Okay, so I'm a little confused. The pictures are not exactly what I have. I think I have it correct. Alright, let's check out the plastic ones. So, I'm a little bit confused on what's what, but I think I have it right. Okay, let's insert it, and then let's squeeze. Ugh. Okay, we got that, Now we're going to put a little heart on it, a red heart. Oh, actually, you know what? I want the circle. That and that, I think. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let's put that in. And squeeze. Okay, cool. Let's try it out. Snaps. Perfect. It doesn't come apart. Perfect. It's a little off-centered. I need to practice with that, but yeah. I'm having really bad luck with the metal ones. Let's try the metal one more time. Okay, here we go. We'll try the metal one more time. I'm using the heads that it's telling me to use. Oh my gosh, it's really hard to get it in there. Sure that is lined up. Alright, I think it's good. Let's try one more time. Ugh. Oh, nope. It broke again. So I'm having trouble with the middle one. Just like the other reviews. I could be doing it wrong. I'm following the instructions that they gave me. Not very clear on the instructions. I'm using the exact buttons it's showing me. I did this exact thing. I mean, overall, I'll practice some more with the metal ones. I just gotta get good, I guess. But it's great for the plastic ones. Okay, so didn't quite work with the metal ones. I could just be doing it wrong. If I am and you have this, please let me know. I'll continue to try again. If I get it to work, I'll post it on Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram if you want to find out how many tries it takes to get the metal ones to work. But overall, I would give it a 3.5 or 4 out of 5. 3.5 or a 4. Because this cost me $25 free shipping on Amazon. At Joann's, you get one tool, one head, no buttons for $30. So just price itself, I think it's pretty good and worth it. I mean, you get so many different colors and shapes of buttons, and if you can get the metal ones to work, you got changeable heads. So win-win, I think. I don't know. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment, give me your opinion. If you have gotten the metal ones to work, please let me know. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you next week for my next floss tube.